What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another tutorial video for FiveM. It's been quite a few months since I have created a video for YouTube, and it's pretty much just, it comes down to I have a lot going on, and I don't know if in the future it's going to continue. Either way, I'm going to try to bust out a video every week or every other week. That way we can keep the content flowing. Now, in this video, we will be showing you how to change your location in FiveM. It is very easy, but it's been requested many times inside of the Discord. So here we go. First thing we're going to do is go to our server folder. Mine is right here on the desktop. We're going to go to wherever you have your resources saved. Mine is in server data, resources. Now, before we do that, let's start our server really quick because it will tell us which map we're actually using. There's two different ones. I think I have the hipster one, so as you currently see right here, I have the hipster one. Most likely you will also have the hipster one. But it is a good thing to start it, to see it. Most of the time it will load either one or the other. I don't think there's anything predefined having it decide what to pick unless you actually define it. It really doesn't really matter either. But you can see I just loaded the hipster map. So we're just gonna go along with it. So we're gonna go into the game modes, maps. We're gonna delete this red M1. We're never gonna use that in FiveM. And then we have hipster and skater. Now obviously we loaded the hipster one. Let's say I restart the server 3 times, it could load the skater one. It all depends on which the server sees first, since we're not predefining which one we're using in our server.cfg. So it really doesn't matter. Just delete one or the other, and it will just load whichever one is left. Now open up that folder and click on map.lua. In here you're gonna change everything. You can see vehicle generator air tug. Don't really need that. You can get rid of that. You don't spawn with a vehicle. Now here you can see is all the different locations currently inside of the file, which just say, hey, you can spawn at any one of those. We're gonna go ahead and delete every single one but the first line. And obviously the more lines you have, those are the locations you can use. Now there's two ways. Here's your locations and here's the character you spawn as. Those two things you can change. There's a couple different ways you can change your location. Either you can use a trainer or something like vMenu that displays your location and you can put your custom location in right there. Or you can go ahead and go to this website right here, which is again a quick tutorial in text, which is very easy on how to change your location, and along with the most popular locations in FiveM with their coordinates. So there you go, you can grab it from there. Another thing is here is also PED, which will be the next thing, which shows you all of the spawn names for the PEDs. Let's say you want to use this character here. Simply copy this line, go back, and that is what you would replace in here, like that, and now that is how you change your PED. Both of those websites will be linked in the description, so no need to worry. Again, let's save this real quick. My FiveM is having issues, so sadly I can't show it to you working. But just to go over it quickly again, open up your server folder, go to wherever your resources are saved. In my case, it's server data. Go to game modes, maps, pick your map, delete the other ones, and then open up map.lua. In here, you can predefine your location right here, and then the character you want to spawn as right here. Again, I sadly can't show you right now. I'm having FiveM issues. Hopefully by next video, I will have that resolved. And yeah, also if you guys haven't yet, go ahead and join the Discord. It's my Discord, but it's run by my partner in crime, MZO. He is very active taking care of Discord simply because I don't have the time. And we recently just broke 1,000 members. So go ahead, join Discord if you need any additional help, and we will see you in the next video. See ya.